Hey everyone, want to protect your Facebook profile and keep your personal information private? You are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to officially lock your Facebook profile step by step. Step 1. Open your Facebook profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Now tap on your profile picture to open your Facebook profile page. Step 2. Access profile settings. Now your profile screen. Tap the three dots next to Edit Profile. From the menu that appears, look for the option called Lock Profile. Step 3. Lock your profile. Tap on Lock Profile. Facebook will show you a short preview explaining what happens after locking your profile, such as limited access to your photos and posts. Now tap Lock Your Profile to confirm. Step 4. Profile locked successfully. That's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked. Only your friends can see your full profile, posts, and photos. People who are not your friend list will only see limited information. Important things to know. The profile lock feature is available in certain countries. If you don't see the lock option, make sure Facebook is fully updated. You can also try changing your Facebook language to English UK, as this sometimes helps the option appear. Extra privacy tips. Even after locking your profile, it's a good idea to review your privacy settings. Go to Settings, Privacy, check up and make sure everything is set the way you want. And that's it. This is how you can officially lock your Facebook profile and protect your privacy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Facebook tips and tutorials.